And he suffered with these seizures ever since then, and his parents were lovingly taking care of them. And they don't have the ability to just fly him everywhere. And, the only way they can try the cannabis oil that's been so effective for the other constituent would be to just basically go move. It would be very extraordinary for them to take their son there. So the other usefulness of it is our veterans suffering from PTSD. We have 22 that we know of, veterans per day committing suicide because of the difficulties of living with what they've gone through. And this is a natural plant that they can use to help calm them and treat some of these symptoms, and that doesn't cost a lot. And we shouldn't have to just resort to government-approved medicine. We should have the right, and we should have a conscience that would demand that we have the least side effects. And if you compare marijuana side effects to the pharmaceutical products, they don't even compare. There's very limited side effects compared
to the
ones you can.
I had a relative, and they were tested for glaucoma, and they said, well, you don't have it yet, but you're trending high. And so I went back and I researched, well, what would they do if they had glaucoma? And when you look at the American Ophthalmology Society's website, they talk about the different medications, and you look at the side effects, they were horrific. But they had one section there, Mr. Simpson, about treating it with cannabis. And you know what the side effects were? Euphoria and increased appetite. Those were the side effects. Wow. And they said, the problem with it is that we haven't run the tests. Why don't they run the tests? Well, because nobody's going to make any money off of running the tests. We haven't run the tests, so we don't know how much you should medicate. So the biggest risk is that you may under-medicate with this. That was it. You may under-medicate, and the symptoms are euphoria and increased appetite. But I want to go back to this case of this child who's suffering from seizures, because we just had a report that came out of Charlotte. The news media picked that up of a child who has been compensated by the federal vaccine court. And her case was very much like the one that you were talking about. This is a child who was damaged by vaccines at 3 months, and she went before because pharmaceutical companies have no liability for vaccines. That was removed from them, and so now, I don't know if you're familiar with this, many people don't know about the vaccine court, the fact that we have a federal vaccine court because you can't sue for damages, but they will give you some benefits for this. She got $2 million and $250,000 a year for life, and of course, none of that gives her any compensation for pain and suffering. That is just for her health care. She could be medicated probably, perhaps, I don't know, sounds like a similar situation, but it certainly would be worth a try to medicate her on medical marijuana. Maybe it wouldn't cost $250,000 a year.
Well, that's right, and they want to do that. They want to try that. They actually could have pursued that remedy, and the mother of this son did share with me that they just chose not to to pursue that. And anyway, it's just unfortunate and a tragedy that government is standing in the way of loving, caring parents taking care of their children that can bang their head on a desk or the floor or a wall at any time. And we need to really be consistent in our conservative principles. And we don't need not only the Affordable Care Act, which is not affordable, we just need to be left alone, unless we're not harming our neighbors, be able to use a plant like this for good to help our neighbors and ourselves.
Absolutely. You talk about the Affordable Health Care Act, where they mandated insurance to help the insurance companies. They're going to be mandating vaccines. We see bills throughout the country, 29 different states. I know we have it here in Texas. So really quickly, before we have to let you go, what's your response to the bills in Texas that would come after the people who are concerned about vaccines, essentially removing our ability to have informed consent?
Oh, I oppose those, and there is a great movement towards that. We need to have the option, the conscientious objection, or just we don't want to do it. And the people, say, well, that's going to harm the rest of the population. Well, I say, well, it may harm someone who doesn't take it, but how's it going? If yours is so effective, it shouldn't affect you. So why not let us opt out?
Absolutely.
The government shouldn't be telling us what to put in our bodies, especially our children. I oppose mandated vaccines and the lists created from them.
Yes, yes. Tracking people, again, like you're talking about, possibly tracking people with this other bill that would legalize medical marijuana, setting up a registry to track people. That is something we should all be very concerned about. And of course, Mr. Simpson, when we look at these bills that would take away our informed consent, that was one of the cornerstones that came out of the Nuremberg trials. That was the Nuremberg Code saying the way you stop these kind of abuses that we saw under the Nazis is to make informed consent paramount. And yet that's precisely what they want to take away from us now. And I find it amazing that the people who want to take away our informed consent are many people from the left who are pro-abortion and say that they support abortion because of its privacy. I hear the music. I'm sorry we're out of time. Thank you so much for joining us. What can people do to help?
Well, they can pray for me and for the cause. Use their freedom responsibly and contact their representative, senator, and the leadership of the state in favor of House Bill 2165.
2165. Thank you so much. David Simpson, and that's davidsimpson.com.
Silver has always been nature's very own antibiotic, and only one system allows you to generate an endless supply of natural silver solutions. Silverlungs.com. You'll find no wild claims or pseudoscience, just a lifetime of nano-sized pure silver solutions. The Silver Lungs generator allows you to make your own, so stop paying for silver solutions. The unique lung delivery system targets respiratory infections where other silver solutions simply cannot reach. See the Silver Lungs generator and lung delivery system at silverlungs.com. That's silverlungs.com.
Hunters, anglers, campers, and survivalists. Get back to nature. Expand your horizons with the highest quality, most versatile, unique slingshots and sling bows on the market at slingbow.com. Slingbow products are compact and models start from just $17.98. They're perfect for your bug-out bag or storing in your vehicle. Give yourself and your loved ones the excitement and tradition of Slingbow, a new frontier in archery and truly modern twist on this primitive survival tool. Feel the thrill only at slingbow.com.
Alex Jones here. For the last 2 years, I've been working with top doctors, nutritionists, and chemists to design a nutraceutical formulation that has truly life-changing health benefits. So many other formulations out there contain toxic ingredients, synthetic additives, and even GMOs. Introducing the all-new Ancient Defense Herbal Immunity Blend, crafted with over 14 key ancient herbs and extracts to supercharge and prepare your body for what experts admit is the most dangerous season of the year. We have rejected hundreds of other formulations in our quest to bring you what is simply the most powerful and comprehensive proprietary formula that we have ever created in the realm of herbal immunity. Experience the benefits of combining over 14 ancient herbs and extracts with exciting new advances in nutraceutical science. For a limited time, get 25% off on this introductory offer. Visit InfoWarsLife.com or call 1-888-253-3139. That's InfoWarsLife.com.
Hear that? That's the sound of a house being trashed while a gang of thieves ransack the place. And what they don't steal will be destroyed.
You can prevent being the next victim of a break-in. Go to faketv.com and discover a device that creates the illusion someone inside is watching TV, even when you're miles away. Security is a mindset, and Fake TV should be part of your security solution. Be vigilant, but not fearful. faketv.com.
My name is Dell, and I live in El Cajon, California. I was concerned about my cholesterol readings because I knew that high cholesterol is related to clogging of the arteries and increases the risk for heart attack and stroke. One day, I heard an ad for Heart and Body Extract, and I was skeptical, but I decided to give it a try. Man, the numbers don't lie.
Learn the secrets of an effective, natural, 100% organic nutritional supplement for a healthy heart and circulation at hbextract.com.
Riders on the storm. Riders on the storm.
Welcome back to the Alex Jones Show. I'm David Knight. We were just talking in the last segment to David Simpson, Texas representative who has introduced a bill that would not bring a massive regulation and taxation to marijuana. It would decriminalize marijuana in all respects. It would treat it for what it is, a very effective plant that God has given us. And he has taken this appeal. He said he normally doesn't talk about his faith, but in this particular instance, because so many people who support the war on drugs, and of course marijuana is 80% of that, the people who support the war on drugs are typically conservative Christians. And so he wanted to speak to them in a way. And I hope that even if you're not a Christian, that you understand a way that you can talk to Christians, talk to them about compassion, talk to them about the fact that government is simply force. It is a hammer, and it sees everything as a nail. And this is not a problem that can be fixed by force. This has corrupted our government. It has destroyed our due process, and it is withholding from people medicine that is very effective, and we need to stop it. We need to roll prohibition back right now. I'm going to go back to your calls real quickly before we do. We have DNA Force that is on sale at InfoWarsLife.com. It has an unprecedented discount right now of 30%. That's less than $100 for the first time ever. Many people charge 2 to 3 times the price we normally do, some charging up to $600 for this, but right now you can get it under $100 for the first time, 30% off. That's DNA Force at InfoWarsLife.com. Now we'll go back to your calls. We've got JD, Slim, Lauren, Damien, and Ted. I'm going to try to get to everybody. We'll go into overdrive if we don't get to everybody. Let's go to JD in California. JD, go ahead.
Yeah, hi, David. Yeah, I'm a medical marijuana patient, devout Christian, and I just can't stand how, these people who believe that they're Christians and they take the Bible seriously, but they miss the very first page of the Bible in Genesis, where it says God gives all seed-bearing fruits and herbs for man to use.
Yes. Yes, that's one of the points that David Simpson made in his editorial that went into the Dallas Morning News. Yes, good point. And what about compassion? What about having compassion for your neighbors in prison? I mean, if Jesus criticized people for not visiting people in prison, for not giving them food, for water, what does he think about people who clamor for non-violent persons to be locked up in a box, locked up in prison?
Simply trying to treat their child who is in complete misery on their deathbed, or even have the chance at saving their child's life with this medicine.
Absolutely. What do you use it for? You said you're a medical marijuana patient.
I have chronic pain from I broke my back on a mountain bike, but that's another thing I wanted to bring up with you guys is your health products. I just want everyone to know if there's anyone out there suffering from chronic pain. I've been using the Super Male Vitality, the B12, and the X2 and acyaniodine, and it has got me in the best shape of my life. I feel the best I've ever felt. I'm actually, because of those products, I'm in the process of getting myself off of opiates.
Oh, that's great. That's great. It's just we are so starved for nutrition, for whole food in this country especially, and people are starting to wake up to that. Thank you so much for sharing that with us, JD in California. Let's go to Slim in Canada. Slim.
Hello, Mr. Knight.
Hey, go ahead.
How are you doing?
Doing good.
That's good. Yeah, I'm talking basically about marijuana. I mean, the simple argument, I've done a few debates in high school and in university regarding this issue, and I mean, it's the simple debate regarding this, as opposed to things that are illegal, compared to this, that's illegal, considered illegal. I mean, look how many people have died from alcohol-related. Look at how many people have died from tobacco. I mean, every day, I believe it's, on every hour someone dies with respect to tobacco-related.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. You always hear, every year, you hear all these kids who go away to college and they die of an overdose at a drinking party at a fraternity. People don't die from an overdose of medical marijuana. Stay with us. I'll take more of your calls. Nightly News.
This is GCN, the Genesis Communications Radio Network.
When cells become toxic, they die early and aging sets in. No one has put together a formula that focuses directly on brain health, nerve growth factors, and optimizing your cellular energy at the same time. Just one of the key compounds, BioPQQ, is backed by major clinical studies. You want the best that's out there at the lowest price anywhere? We now have the synergistic solution. Secure your DNA Force today at InfoWarsLife.com or call toll-free 888-253-3139.
The average person's life is filled with unexpected challenges. Unlock the energy it takes to defeat these daily beasts with Super Male or Super Female Vitality, specifically designed to assist the body in regulating proper hormone balance to create superior vitality in males and females. Supercharge and conquer your world at InfoWarsLife.com or call 1-888-253-3139.